Hello children, how are you? Today let us do a simple science experiment to know the float and sink. Shall we start? We need two empty transparent glasses, lemon 2, 2 tablespoons of salt and water. Let us pour the water into the transparent glasses, one by one. Now take a lemon and drop in one of the glass and observe. Add 2 tablespoons of salt into another glass of water and stir it well. Now put a lemon into the salt water and observe. Can you see that the lemon in the salt water is floating, whereas the lemon in the clear water has already sunk? So children, this is all about float and sink activity. Do try this. Thank you.